Faux plaster repairs are very challenging. In the next few steps, we'll walk you through how to pull it off. The drywall plug is removed. The sand texture is scraped and then sanded smooth. The areas of the scratch coat that are beginning to fail are chipped back. A primer or sealer is a great tool to use in this situation. You can also see where shims have been placed so that the new material will match up to the old. Ideally, you'd like your fasteners to be every 4 to 6 inches on the perimeter of your patch and about every foot in the field. We pre-packed our gaps and transitions with 5-minute mud and a healthy shot of Mud Max to boot. Fabifuse Max and Mud Max by Trimtex allow this 5-minute mud to go down and to be effective. There is some staining that's coming through on the previous water stain. That's not an issue. After this is primed and painted, all that will go away. Playground sand is sifted, then added to spray texture. This is applied with a hopper and a high CFM air compressor. Doesn't it look nice?